Welcome to Edsembli Finance, a powerful, easy-to-use, and secure platform designed specifically for education's needs. Today, we kick off the first video of our four-part series about the purchasing process. Edsembli uses a simple, four-step process to streamline your purchase workflow. We call it the Requisition to Check process, or Rec to Check. The great thing about this is you can start at any step. What do these steps look like? Step 1 involves creating the requisitions. Step 2 is the purchase order. Step 3 is the invoice. And Step 4 is payment by check or EFT. If your school district doesn't use requisitions, no problem. Start at the purchase order step. If your school district doesn't use purchase orders, skip to the invoice step. It's that easy. For today's video, let's look at the requisition process. Creating a requisition is really easy with our shopping cart experience. Simply choose items from your catalog to add to the shopping cart, or add items on the fly by using our miscellaneous option and manually fill in the information. It's really no different than shopping online. Once everything is added to the cart, go to the checkout and fill out all required information, including the general ledger. If you are over budget, you will be alerted. You can even add notes for the approver, buyer, and vendor if required. Attach any supporting documentation, like quotes, by uploading files. The attachments will be stored with the requisition for easy retrieval at any time. The requisition will now be automatically created and routed to the approver and buyer to complete the process. And that's it. With Edsembli Fin, we make the Rec to Check process really easy. Tune in to part 2 of this series where we will cover the purchase order process. Contact us today to learn more about Edsembli and how we can streamline your procurement process.